Coming up next, you'll have an opportunity to meet an attorney who is involved in the Social Security disability system in the appeals process. Adriana de la Torre has experience as an attorney since 2006, and she uses that opportunity and that experience to take you behind the walls of the Social Security disability system and to understand how you as a legal nurse consultant have a place within the system. Adriana, tell our listener a little bit about the topics that we covered in your podcast.
So we talked about how Social Security is complex and interesting. So we talked about the different levels of administrative review. And we talked about how once you finish there, you have to go to federal court, which is where I come in. We talked about how legal nurse consultants can help claimants and attorneys alike in the process. And we talked about a space specifically for legal nurse consultants to work on disability cases.
There's a lot of fascinating insights in this program coming up next on Legal Nurse Podcast. Be sure that you click on down below or return to us next week for a new episode and for meeting Adriana and finding out more about the Social Security disability system. It certainly is a lifeline, but it is not a given that you automatically receive it the first time that you apply for it, and she'll explain why in her podcast coming up next.